Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today, I have something interesting to share with you. We are seeing a spike in the number of downloads for this month for AI agent frameworks. I'm gonna go over the charts for each of them. These are AI agent frameworks. As you might know, I've created a video last time in which I went over all of this stuff in April, and this is a follow-up because I'm looking at the charts. As you can see, this month, and I'm going to go over a few of them, we're seeing a spike. I think the no most noticeable spike is one of the most one is like Google ADK. I think what happened is we had Google I/O. Google I was May 19th, the 10 days ago, and that caused probably something around that because this happened right after you can see May 18th. So very, very likely after Google I/O, because of the whole agentic thing that Google is pushing, the whole all the AI agent framework for some odd reason witnessed a little bit of spike. So this one is langchain. So langchain, as you can see, this is number of downloads for langchain package from PyPy. You can see it went from 7 million to 11 million. This just happened this month. Before it was all flat for 4 months. So with langgraph, in langgraph, I'm using npm trend because in langgraph, TypeScript is used more than Python. So even over here, if you see, we see a spike. Well, this one is regular. This is Microsoft Agent Framework. Over here, you can see the trend also, but you don't see a spike. I think over here, langchain saw a spike, and then this is OpenAI agents. Over here in April 14th, you see like if you even it out, you see a decent uptrend, but you don't see a big spike here. This one is a decent one. Uh, Pedantic AI, again over here, I think over here is not that much activity. Um, Crew AI now had a spike that we're talking about. Again, this spike happened from 278 to 464. Crew AI got a spike. On Google ADK, this is Google, as I was saying, after Google I/O, this one went from 373 to 1 million downloads, a very big spike. Uh, Now this one is Strand agents, which is AWS agents. Now over here is with mirrors, without mirrors, but we're gonna pay attention to without mirrors because with mirrors, I asked ChatGPT, with mirrors is all downloads counted, including automated downloads performed by PyPy mirror caches. Without mirror is attempt to count only actual users. So let's just focus on the orange line. So this one also went from 128 to 900. Now the thing is, these are the chart. Now over here you can see Strand Agent had AWS had a spike, Google one had a spike, Crew AI had a spike, and langchain had a decent spike. Now, if I put it in Excel sheet and I calculated the percent spike, over here you can see the biggest spikes is I think what's leading was probably Google I/O. So Google the biggest spike. Now we had AWS. Now AWS, the thing is, the downloads were the least. So it had, like the overall percent is more comparatively because it had same thing over here. The GitHub star is the least, but as a percent, it did pretty good. Microsoft Agent Framework also did very well, 100%. Now the thing is, overall, as you can see, now Crew AI also 100%. I think it's 99. We should do Crew AI too. I think the one that did not go up considerably is Pedantic. OpenAI agent, I think it went up decently. Now, this is going to be interesting. I'll show you something about OpenAI agent in GitHub stars because in GitHub stars, If you look over here, I'm going to go in a second. Now, the thing is, langchain and langgraph, they're still the top. You see, like 11 million is almost like an AI agent is like the king over here. There's no comparison. Now, the thing is, because they is so big, the percent gain is not that much, 33, 38. But the ones that are really picking up, now the thing is, the smaller one, obviously, the numbers when they pick up is going to be bigger. So that's not that much of a surprise. But the surprise is that these three increase faster than these two. And but langchain is since it's so up, it just increased 33%. Now I want to point out over here OpenAI because it's just kind of interesting. If you look at the GitHub stars, I did the GitHub stars too, April and May comparison. Um, You you can see over here is only 25% increase in the number of daily downloads. However, in the number of GitHub stars, it is the most. So people really liked OpenAI agents. Just wanted to point that out. Now, this one I put in age also. You guys can look over here. But I think the only takeaway from here was that I just witnessed a spike this month, and all because of Google I/O. So I wanted to share some metrics so you guys can see how this played out. So I just wanted to create this short video for you guys. So hopefully you guys liked it. And if you haven't, please subscribe. And I will see you guys later. Thank you. Bye bye.